Because you're thinking, well, where's all the yellow ones? And the answer is, they're hiding behind the green ones. Right, there are certain times in a game where you suddenly make a bit of a giant leap. And we're going to make a bit of a giant leap right now. This is going to be a little bit of a long video. When you get the hang of it, you're going to end up with not just a row of green blocks, you're going to have orange blocks, yellow blocks, red blocks. You have as many rows as you like, quite frankly. I've done all the coding on the green block. If you think about it logically, the code for the orange, yellow, red, purple, whatever blocks you want, they're going to be pretty much the same. Maybe different blocks might have different scores, etc. But it's going to be pretty much the same. So we must be a smart way of doing this. We've got to do all of this again. No, you don't. I've got a green block. I'm going to right click and I'm going to duplicate it. And I've got green brick 2. I'm going to call it yellow _ brick. And you're thinking, but it's green, you idiot. How can you make... Oh, well, of course, what I can do is go back to costumes here, and I can take a paint bucket, and I can find yellow, which is maybe... That's kind of a really dull yellow. Well, I want a bright yellow. Oh, no, let's put the brightness right up. Oh, no. Oh, that's not too bad. Pretty good. Happy with that? Yeah, there it is. Yellow brick now, isn't it? No, there was a paint bucket. Chose the colour. Filled it. Happy days. But I go back to code here, and it goes yellow brick, and I look at my code, and it says set score to 0, which, okay, we only need to do that once, so you don't have to have it on it. But set green X position to -220. This is a yellow brick, so therefore we are going to need a variable called yellow X position. And I'm going to press OK. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to change this one to yellow X position. This one says green X position. I got no, I don't want that. Make it go away. And I'm going to put yellow X position in there. And this one says green X position. So I say no, I want yellow. And this one says green X position. I say no, I want yellow. And I do this to get rid of that. Oh, by the way, I just tick that because it was up there. No, not there. Tick that and make it go away. And now I run it, but watch what happens. Watch what happens. It's going to go wrong. Because you're thinking, well, where's all the yellow ones? And the answer is, they're hiding behind the green ones. Because they've got the same Y value. I don't want the same Y value on the yellow ones. I want the green ones to start here and the yellow ones to be above it. So I'm going to change the yellow Y's to, I don't know, let's try 40. If I've got a 40 there, I want a 40 there. I'm going to press the green flag. Oh, hello. I'm on the green blocks. Oh, no, what an idiot. These things do happen. Naught. Let's try big on the yellow bricks, which should have been 40 and 40. That makes more sense now. Look at that. You might even go with, like, I mean, you can have as many rows as you like. I mean, if you want 20 and 20, you can have green, yellow, orange, red, black. Just, no, not black, because obviously we're using this grid at the moment to teach you how to build it. A black brick on a black background. Well, actually, again, that might be quite an interesting one to do. Hidden bricks in the game. Maybe later on as an extension task. But the whole point being now is, look, it works. It bounces off the yellow ones, it bounces off the green ones. My scoring is working. Although my yellow bricks are still only scoring me 1. Oh, no problem. Let's make them score 2. And now you'll find that 1, I'll try and get it in the middle. Hit a yellow brick, 3. See, look at that up there, look at that. It's going to go 5, 7, oh, 9, and then it's probably going to hit the green next, isn't it? 10. And you get the idea, 12. So that's kind of funky. So you can probably work out what your task is now. Your task is you need to make variables for all the different colours you're going to have. I want a minimum of orange and red. I'm going to go for green, yellow, orange, and red. All you've got to do is right-click, duplicate it, make the variable 1, 2, 3, 4 changes there. 1, 2 changes there, and then down here, change the score to something that you deem to be appropriate. And that's your lot. Go to work.